Hey everyone, today I'll be doing an unboxing and overview of the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card. This is a refreshed look and also has some refreshed category for cash back. If you've been following my channel, you know that I have already done an unboxing and full review on this particular card when it first launched with just 3% back on grocery, 2% back on gas, and 1% back on everything else. Well, in mid 2022, Amex decided to really up their game to make this card more competitive. So now you have three categories for 3% cash back: groceries, online retail purchases, as well as gas. And then, of course, still that 1% back on everything else. There's also a few limited time offers for certain credits, as you can see here on the screen. If you're interested in applying for this card, as usual, I have my referral link down in the description, so you can also take advantage of that nice $250 sign up bonus. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. You see this ships from Plantation, Florida, and it's a pretty regular envelope that has American Express on it. It is thick, so I guess some people can suspect there's probably a card in here. But pulling out my Chase letter opener, let's go ahead and rip this open. So I did do a product change to get to this card. I had a Blue Cash Preferred card, so I decided to go down to the no annual fee version here. So the papers will be a little bit different than if you got this brand new. It's not going to show the credit score, of course, that I approved for because I didn't apply for this. But you'll get very similar paperwork. The top one is actually the one containing the card. So let's go ahead and save the best for last. First, looking at the card member agreement here. This is kind of like a newspaper design. It has a number of pages, I think about 10 pages total, basically going over your contract, your card agreement with American Express for this card, your rights, and what Amex does with your personal information. Additionally, this one pager is just a summary of some of the recent changes that they made to their travel and retail related benefits. In thicker cardstock-like paper, this is actually the first part of the card member agreement and contains user-specific rates. And you can see at the top it says transfer because, again, I product transferred this from my Blue Cash Preferred card. And you can see now the annual membership fee is none. And then there are, of course, their standard transaction and penalty fees. Then it also goes on to define some of the other rates and fees associated with different types of transactions. Next few pages details how you can actually earn your rewards on the Blue Cash Everyday card, including the categories, transactions that don't count towards rewards earning, and of course how you can actually redeem your reward dollars. This last bit is something they recently introduced in April of 2023. Okay, so now let's get to the star of the show. This is the new Blue Cash Everyday card, and here it is. It does have all the modern specialties of a credit card, including tap to pay, so you can use this on wireless terminals. And there also is the ability to add this to your digital wallet, again, for more wireless payment options. And I have no idea why there is a paperclip here, but hey, free paperclip. Thank you, Amex. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this new card design. And I have to say, this new design looks much better in person than it does on the website. There's actually a little translucent part in the middle here, kind of a homage to the original design, which I really liked with the transparent look to it. The front doesn't have the actual card number. Instead, you can just see the chip as well as the contactless wireless symbol to the right. The blue coloring continues on with the side of the card. On the back is where you can see the actual card number, and it's cool that they continue the gladiator emblem on the back too. So here's a quick side-by-side comparison of the old one versus the new one. I still kind of miss the old translucent design. There just wasn't any other credit card design like it. It does have the old embossing with the card number on the front and also on the back. So in that regard, I do prefer the new design where the printing of the number is just on the back. And if you're curious on how it looks against the Blue Cash Preferred version, the $95 annual fee version of this card, you can see, of course, this is lighter than the Blue Cash Preferred, and I think it actually looks a little bit better because it has that cool translucent part in the middle. But that'll do it for this unboxing video. Stay tuned to my channel for the full review and a potential comparison video against this new redesign with the Blue Cash Preferred.